Cake ng Bibiana ko. Marami siyang cake. Kaso yung cake niya cute. Ang ingay naman tong si ate. Wait nga lang. Makikita. Okay. Okay, there you go. Ay, nandito na naman si Monty. Hindi naman sa ito Monty. This is for Ayana Monty. Kasi si Ayana is 6 months na. So, meron siyang dalawang cake. Ang cute lang nga ng cake. Para hindi masyadong kakainin to ng isa. Kasi pag kumain ng, ng cake, ay, walang bukas din yung kanyang cake. Kaya maliit lang yung binili ko. Para cute. Oh, cute nga siya. Ano ba ito? In-order ko dalawa para yung aking coffee. Ako yung nag-birthday. Pinili ko yung coffee. These are cute. Okay. Babe, this is only for you, babe. Di ba cute lang yung kanyang coffee flavor yata to. Okay, kasi the other one. Mamaya ko na ilagay yung cake, niya, kandila niya. Okay, you can play that now, Monty. Come on, play na. There you go. Okay. It's a cute cake. Oh, this one is cute. These are cute. Wait, look at this way. Look. It's cute.
What is this?
What?
Small.
Yeah, I told you it's small because you will eat a lot when you get the big one. This one is for you. Ay, Nicole, this one. We can share this one then. Tulog na pala yung aming celebrant. Natulog na. Ayan na. Ang cute ng mo. Ng cake mo. Kakaloka siya. Ang cute ng mga cake. Sana yung number 6. Dapat di ka na nag-aircon call. Electric pa na lang sana. Isipon yung ating alaga. Kung kailan naman siya wala na naman sa mood yan mag-pictorial. Ayan. Ganyan, lagay ko siya dyan. Hindi ko muna siya sisirain. Mamaya na lang. Tapos yung kanyang mga candle. Ganyan. Ang cute. Picturean ko muna to. So, ayan yung cake niya. O, diba? Ang cute lang. Yan. Dapat pala 3 binili natin para tag-iisa tayong 3. Ha?
May pera ka pa?
Marami ak pera. Huwag na. Eh, kakainin to ng isa lahat. Bawal siya tumaba. Mataba na siya. Peekaboo! Where's my baby? Peekaboo! Uy, ay, closing your eyes. I got something for you. Mama got something for you. Are you up now? Mommy got some gift for you. What's this? It's your gift. You like it? You want it? Come on, move. Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, Mommy gonna open it for you. Okay. To get the tissue. And we will clean it. Okay. It's for my baby Yana. Got some toy for baby Yana. Yay. Here you go. What you got? No, Monty. My baby Yana. Here. See? That now, baby Yana. You got lots of toys. Got lots of toys, my baby Yana. Wala man doon sa mood ang baby ko. Paano tayo magpipicture, baby Yana? Wala man ikaw sa ano. Yung mukha mo, hindi sa ano, walang mood. Hindi maganda tingnan, baby, yung mukha mo, baby. May sipon ang baby Yana ko. Bakit pa kasi ngayon nagkasipon ang baby ko? What's this? Grab it. Hey, say thank you, Daddy, for the toys. Oh, you drop it, baby Yana. Smile, baby. Smile. My baby Yana. So pretty, pretty princess. Okay.
Happy birthday.
Okay, we'll sing a song for Yana.
Why are you crying on your birthday? Ay, nako.
Oh, come on, let's sing a song again. For baby Yana. Okay, there you go. Oh, look at the baby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay!
Yay.
Tingin sa camera, baby. Yay, blow. Come on. Oh. Yay!
Yay.
Okay, let's eat.
There you go.
Ay, nako.
Hey. Hey.
Oh, this is your cake? You cannot have your cake, baby.